So the Combs family today is staying at the All-Star Movies Resort. And this is our room. This is one of the budget hotels, in case you didn't know that. Pretty simple layout. They actually remodeled most of these rooms not too long ago. This right here is actually a hideaway bed. It actually folds down into a bed for my daughter, and then me and my wife will be here. Right, as most people too would probably try to clean up their room a little bit. Not me. No siree. I want you to see the realness of what it's like to stay in one of these resorts. Here she is in all her greatness, and this is our view. Hopefully you can see it. Here you got this tree here, and you got a wonderful building there and a building there, and you can kind of see the pool over there. So this is what you get at the All-Star Movies Resort. Like I said, it is the budget version of a Disney hotel. If $300 a night is budget, but you know, during low months, you can actually get this for just over $100 a night. So TV, and then here's the restroom. I've already christened the bowl. Right there's the shower. But we're actually here because we are going to go to the resorts this evening and check out the Christmas displays, the gingerbread houses. And then we're going to have dinner at Ohana. And in that, with watching the Christmas fireworks from Ohana, where they do this really cool thing where they turn the lights down and play the actual Christmas music from the fireworks over the speakers, which I'll be probably filming here later. The Grand Floridian tree. I gotta see if I can get a wide shot of it here. There we go. That's the new bar right there in the bird cage. They remodeled this area, so they don't have the gingerbread house this year, which kind of stinks. Kind of like my daughter. Excuse me. That's okay. Oh, go red. My daughter wanted to come out and see the lights in the back of the Grand Floridian. There are three lights back here. Unless you want to count the street lamps and the lights in the buildings. Oh, and the lights on top of the buildings there. Yeah, those are pretty sweet. Oh, so we could have went. There we go. Awesome. Nice. Hot chocolate there. Ah! Get the paper one. I got it, Kill. I just love the entrance to this place. I don't understand what the bottles are for. I gotta show this. So these are $25. Mine, $1.
I remember when that guy used to be a lawyer.
Oh, money, yeah, but not.
No, they gave us exactly 5, didn't they?
Thank you.
If that's what you, I didn't even ask. I just served.
And do they have the animal pass?
Oh yeah, there's an olive line. Such a happy Oh, they make them. I mean, it makes sense. For sure. Are you eating more Rice Krispies? That actually